Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about the Clarendon massacre again. 8 people dead. The only thing surprising about this is that it don't happen more often. Considering how well armed 87s are, how mobile they are, their clear desire to rain down chaos, I'm just surprised it don't happen more often. Irie man, out of many one plantation. Once again we can see the leaders are as reactive and simple as the people they lead. And why are people acting like this is new? Like 8 dead one time is new? Or have they forgotten about Tredegar Park? There have been many mass killings in Irie man. Many acts of terrorism in Irie man. 87s moving from lane to lane and shoot it up. This is nothing new. The total amount of people shot, that's extraordinary because, as we say, nearly a dozen injured on top of 8 dead. We're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about it because we realize that them not learn nothing, even from Tredegar Park. Now the Tredegar Park massacre, 87s went house to house, changed them location. They even had one set of 87s that wait for the police them turn up to shoot off of them to delay them so that them can continue killing in a Tredegar Park. I've done videos on it. They're on the platform if you haven't seen them. Before I go into your leaders in response and tell you why. You know about uno, but I don't care much about what them have to say. Video go around 87 put on mask and send threat to the Asian hombre. Play a little small clip.
Yo, batty boy wellness. You think you can stop mass killing? Everybody in a Clarendon go dead by next week. Yo, your wife next like a fool or suck your mother, batty boy and Joe wellness.
No, I'm telling you that the 87's desire for attention is unmatched. Love attention, love video light. And I tell them long time said this can be used to the security forces advantage. Jamaican 87s, some of them get excited when them see video light. They should be worried, but not for them get excited. Not realizing that their demise is imminent, can be used against them. This is why other criminal organizations shun spotlight. Oh look, video gone viral. Yeah man, I'm out there. That make it easier to catch him. That make it easier to ID him. But nowadays, all the 87 go viral. All the 87 tell them exactly what him do. And we might do it enough, I don't think we catch them. But people like me and say, look YouTuber. Look how fast them ID him. Either them can't do it or them don't want to do it. Now, it has to be said. If somebody know you like that, balaclava over face not really hide nothing. But if you know somebody well enough and you see them now on balaclava, you still know it's them. But them already ID him. Look like you never know who him to play with. And you hear the man name GPS boss. But you would have seen lately since the Clarendon massacre, press conference after press conference, speech after speech, noise after noise, distraction after distraction. Let me explain something to you. Because I realize that the same tricks work on over and over. Just like a picnic. Or at least baby get the excuse of being babies and brain to develop. When you see the masses are fall for the same trick over and over. Let me explain something to you. The whole of this what you see are going right now, I'm not impressed. What happened after Tredegar Park? Was Klansman dismantled after Tredegar Park? No, it was not. Were the high-profile gang members in Tredegar Park killed? No, they were not. They find some 1 and 2 man and kill them and then throw it at the news and people clap and say, why them a work man? Work? What you call work? What happened to Tesha and Blackman at Tredegar Park? Tredegar Park was 2010. The high-profile gunman them in the clans who took part in Tredegar Park massacre. Long after that, enough of them dead. Some of them still alive to this day. To this day, some of them still alive. Same thing I got me right there, so. Me telling you already, man, go around and lick down 1, 2, 3, man. Show it at the news, look like things go on, and back to square one. When the hype dead down, Black Azan will still be in prison calling the shots. Being them are still there foreign, or call shots. Them now do nothing about Black Azan, nothing about Beanie, nothing about Maple and Jerome, nothing about Jazzy and them people, nothing at all now get done. This is hype and distraction. Them can shot every single 87 who took part in that attack, and it wouldn't make a difference. Because the people them who make the call them, the people them who say send go over this and bring this come on so, people them who order the new rifle them, still them out. Black Azan still in prison right now. I watch the same press conference and a laugh. Jerome them that foreign, I watch the press conference and a laugh. Me and Umbre talk about him give Uncle Sam name. Uncle Sam name for the what? Are they marking a register? Is Uncle Sam a school teacher marking a register? What am I give man name for? You think name mean nothing? A case you give man. Or say said man come make you put a case on him. Give man name. You're easily impressed. What that mean? Here you go Uncle Sam. Here's some name. Uncle Sam look at the name them like alright. And what to do with this? Oh no, just go and hold on for them name man. Hold on for them name and then I go tell my people some give you some name. See? Handing over a group of yo, these people are causing trouble in Jamaica. What do you think America gonna do? You think Uncle Sam is going to dedicate Uncle Sam resources for solving Jamaica's problems? Is Uncle Sam then going to build a case and start make sure so they monitor who did this and then see who they send going? It's not happening, guy. It's not happening. Uncle Sam care about Uncle Sam's interests. Unless you can show them how this somehow affect America, they don't have time for that. Telling people boy you give man name, that's just to make it look like work are go on. Since them say them get 31 name, look if it's 31 convictions. Papi sure things, see man send on list about how much money man I get for arrest and charge. What is charge? Charge is nothing. In Jamaica when time them say 40% of murders have been cleared up, you know what I mean? Somebody get charged. Charged, not convicted. Note, read between the lines, you know. This amount of money for people who give information for somebody get charged. Charged is nothing. Man get charged every day. Man have multiple charges. That's what them consider success. Charge. Oh, we charge somebody feet. Only for 6 months after time the case quiet down, man bust the case and quietly gone back in the streets. Look how much charge them already have on him. That's baby killer. In boss one way there. Charged. Charged is not success, guy. Nowadays, even conviction is not success. Cause we see how easily man get convicted and bust case same way. We see man convicted and still a run gang same way. See not even the conviction a success. But charged, these people are reactive. As I say, leaders are just as reactive as the people. As I tell you, say people them get the leaders they deserve. They get the opposition they deserve. Them get the police force, everything where they get them deserve. Right now, Black Azan and Beanie them sit down there think to themselves, this too shall pass. Them know sir excitement this. Them see this a million times. Government come out and talk wicked because them under pressure cause big crime go on. Them know say this must ease up. And when time it ease up, for them gun them a go ease up. You think Black Azan them a go take that? Somebody half a dead back. Whether it want be JCF or JPS, nobody can stop the retaliation what go happen for this. In on the press conference, Mr. Journalist guy, Mr. Real Journalist, next time when I ask, next time when I talk to Prime Minister and big police in a meeting, tell them say look YouTuber tell them to ask them how much people them think I got dead back and see the figure them give. If they tell us that's 0, Ask them to resign because they don't have sense. Somebody half it dead back. The question is how much? You think Cherry Tree Lane right now, even people who don't like Black Azan are root for Black Azan? Let me say that one more time. People who don't even like Black Azan are root for him right now. You know why? Because them know say it's unlikely somebody are going in front of one courthouse or in front of one judge go testify against somebody wicked stuff. So them know that the official justice system is very likely to fail. So now they are rooting for Black Azan and Fiend-Boy them go murder back people for this. Everybody in a Cherry Tree Lane will lose Smaddy. We're related to Smaddy, them friend, them cousin, them auntie, them baby mother were dead in this shooting. They are not sitting down hoping for the Jamaican justice system even out the score because them know so the justice system is very likely to fail. Them want blood and them want it now. And the person who can give them that right now is Black Azan. You want to understand how crime work? You want to understand why people support the Dan? Enough time because the quote-unquote justice where the Dan or the local gang handout, it is swifter than the real justice system. Because them still on watch sci-fi pick up 45, 55, 95,000 bodies for them name and I still a walk road. So immediately them know say the Jamaican justice system can't have no use. Because me know with 100% certainty that them under a killer and them still a walk road. And every time you see him go in a station, he come out back. So you know who them start look towards now to fix the issue? Him enemy. People of Cherry Tree Lane experience an astronomical attack. Therefore they want something equal or greater in response. And that is not coming out in a courtroom. That is not coming out on a found guilty 30 years before parole. That's not good enough. When people see 7-year-old lie down on ground, when people see the videos of them neighbor in a hospital, head back drop in a wheelchair, when people see them friend, right, lie down on ground, hold them belly in front of him, them no want you nothing about a DPP office, them no want you nothing about a conviction not court 30 years till parole, where you can be rehabilitated and all kind of foolishness. Man no want you that. People want an extreme response to an extreme attack. And as far as they are concerned, that extreme response is best delivered by another gang. Because me telling you say the failure of the justice system to take these people off the road make crime worse. Because when you no settle it, the streets will. DPP guy, when you go in a courthouse to make defense lawyer, turn you in a fool. A man walk out a skin off teeth. And then people in the courthouse a clap and cheer. Understand say whoever him kill still gonna watch and a rub hand. Them a rub hand like Birdman. Alright, I say you think it'll go. Alright, well that justice system don't work. Me know one that will. The tit for tat retaliation in Ireland is one of the biggest reasons why the murder rates so high because somebody have a dead back. Because the police and the courts can't take them off of the road. So them stay up on the road and settle it. All you know do, I make these gangs get even more popular in the eyes of the people. Because the people them are going to see what happened to them. And them are going to ask the question, how on earth 87s in a vehicle move place by place, fire gunshot non-stop and at no point no buck up in no resistance. People are going to ask how from the first gunshot them fire. Nobody no get intercepted, nothing at all. Like sitting ducks. People are going to start ask questions. People are lose confidence in the police and confidence in the justice system. We know who them confidence get big now right now. Kill them. Their continued failure to deal with these gangs, take these 87s off the road and distribute the appropriate punishment that is worthy of the crimes they commit, continue to turn the people against them When time them see man commit downright atrocities and go in front of courthouse and judge give him 20 years. Because the judge said him did put on one treat one time. So him take off some time. People sit down and them say, oh, I saw phony thing work. Well, me not believe in a phony thing. Politicians and police can give speech all them want. People want an extreme response to an extreme attack. And there's nothing extreme about them legal people there. Dressed up in some silly colonial robes. I congratulate themselves to put in Klansman behind bars for 12 years and a 2 murder charge the man get convicted for. People them lose all faith in the justice system. So people start take things in their own hand. And they saw it there. They want in a long time, so they said it'll reach. They said it'll reach. Turning up a man ends and hug up people that don't mean nothing. Man see them neighbor bleed out on the ground. Man see 7-year-old lie down on the ground. Rigor mortis. Body stiff. Man will have feed them 7-year-old to go school with the next 7-year-old. When feed them 7-year-old say, Daddy, what happened to my friend? And him say, God man kill him. And him son say, what happened to the gang will kill him? And him son say, what happened to the man them will order the killing? Him say, well nothing. Then that far and easy. Cause that's the real answer, yeah, so. That's the real answer, yeah, so. When they impressed by some look at 87 small fry get shot. Black Azan sitting in prison right now, probably eat some KFC. And I drink Ace of Spades. And they say Ace of Spades the man I show you. People that road at work. From the sun rise till the sun go down. And then can't buy a buckle of Ace of Spades. Azan in a prison I drink that. The few well-thinking Jamaicans who still have them head on them body, not lost into entertainment and gimmicks. Not lost in their acidity. We not talk about the simpleton them, we not talk about the DJ group of them, we not talk about the Gen DJs them, we not talk about the kerosene them. The rest of them could talk. Understand this. No matter what the Asian hombre say, no matter what no police come out and say, and tell you how much 87 them kill, and who them shot where they did it. Anything short of a total and comprehensive dismantling of the gangs, the warring factions responsible for this, Black Azan side and Beanie them side, anything short of that is a failure. Kill up on yourself about 187 dead back, then you are a fool, falling for the same tricks over and over. If they don't comprehensively dismantle Black Azan faction and get to Beanie them, Jerome them, it's a failure. Stop being easily impressed. When I see my picture, it is saying, boy, you them dead back. That's cannon fodder. Conveyor belt replace that by the morning. Remember, Asian Umbre was just telling us we should talk about the good things then. Remember, Asian Umbre thinking my ding dong, but talk about the good things them. The good chain and the good ring them. When me I tell GPS boss say, knock knock, who's home? Mr. Prime Minister, you're the leader of a country that lead the world in murder rate. Take this thing serious. Into that walk around and I tell man about good things are happening in Jamaica. Talk about the good things. No him go on press conference tour. I talk about bad things. So why him stop talk about the good things then? What happened, Umbre? What happened to the good things then? Talk about the good things then. I'm telling you, so this is a foolish and simpleton argument. But it works in a foolish and simpleton society. Standing on top of the charts for murder rate across the entire planet. In 3 years, more people are murdered in Jamaica than the entire total casualty list for the Northern Ireland War. 3 years. That's how crazy Iron is. The Northern Ireland War, where them write how much movies about and make how much documentaries about and claims are one of the worst atrocities man ever see in recent times. In 3 years, more Jamaicans are murdered than all the decades that war they go on for. Me give you the analogy. Somebody lungs are fail. You walk in the doctor, my lungs are fail, and the doctor go look on you and tell you about, yo, talk about the good organs them dog, because your kidney work same way, your heart work same way, may I say, so what about the problem? What the problem? My lungs are fail. Yo, talk about the good organs them, my youth. Good things are happening to your body. That's so foolish, hombre son. Talking about tell man boy, yo, talk about the good things them dog. So now man drop down and a wheeze. Lungs ago. The same doctor guy turn up now. Oh my god! Bring the machine come. We're going to do the best we can to revive him. Bring the lung medicine come and be nice. The same doctor guy will tell us to talk about the good things them. And talk about your good organs them. That's what Hombre is doing. He was just telling people to talk about the good things are happening. Come on to talk about terrorism. Journalist guy, ask him what's the specific law in Jamaica that deals with terrorism and what is the sentencing guidelines for it. Journalist guy, Mr. Quote unquote real journalist, sitting in a room with a politician, ask him this. What is the specific law that deals with quote unquote terrorism in Jamaica? And then ask him what is the sentencing guideline for it? I make you hear. See then come on to talk about leak. Oh, we're trying to find out who leaked this and who leaked that. Mr. Big Police guy, understand this. You're a part of an organization where you don't have to worry about where leak come from. Because the same man them when you sit down and plan things, by the time they walk out of the room, then jump on the phone and tell the Dan where I go on. You don't worry about leak and who see leak and who never see leak. Them leak don't worry about. When if you worry about the leak, them will tell the gang them in operation. That's how they can't find the real key players them. Because squad not tell everybody in the gang. I don't know that. When corrupt squad pass on message the clansman or one other, them not tell everybody. You know who them a tell? Adjis, Badas, are them people. So them take of themselves. They look lower rank 87 them now. Them not get the message, you know. So them get catch by surprise. Now worry about leak. Wrong leak you now worry about. First thing, the streets know all of that long time and the streets know even more. That's how I may say on this. Man that Spanish town a laugh. Clansman a Spanish town a laugh. No matter how much nice them want make, the men they arrest, they will have to face a court. Because if it really serious like that, man a go just hand in himself with him lawyer. And when him hand in himself, he have to go through the same process like anybody else. And if you hold him certain day and you can't get him, you have to let him go. And if you do charge him, by the time you go court, you're going to need a witness. How much witness you think in a cherry tree lane willing to go testify against brutes like them there? How much people you think in a cherry tree lane are lining up to go testify against the type of man them where shot 7-year-old and 1-year-old? So no witness not turn up or witness come and witness start, you know, say, oh, me can't remember, case boss, where I go do nothing at all. That's the answer to the question. And even with a witness, case can boss. One piece of evidence not labeled properly and you get that shot. Case done. Case done. You get the society you deserve. You get the leaders you deserve. You get the squad of them you deserve. These people are not aliens. They're the Jamaicans. They come from Jamaican society. They are you. They are us. When they say them workless, what if it says we workless? They're not aliens. Right? Them can't do nothing right. How much things you do right? Yeah, I thought so. Once again, let me repeat. Anything short of a total and comprehensive dismantling of these gangs responsible for this attack on both sides is a failure. Black Hazard and the various gang leaders in the Iron Man know one thing. This too shall pass. All upon noise and excitement and press conference. It have to come to an end sooner or later. I mean, even the masses not care about it. The Jamaican people barely busy about the story. Soon dead off. And it's back to business as usual. Iron Man! out of many one plantation. Patron squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Rest.